Unraveling, Settle the Score, a deep dive into its meaning and use. Hello, language enthusiasts. In today's video, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, settle the score. This expression is rich in meaning and often appears in both formal and informal contexts. By understanding its origins, meanings, and how to use it in conversations, you'll be adding a valuable piece to your English language puzzle. So, let's get started and explore everything there is to know about this intriguing phrase. Settle the score refers to resolving a dispute or conflict that has been ongoing between two parties. It implies that there has been some form of disagreement, rivalry, or competition, and now is the time to resolve it and make things even. The phrase carries the connotation of finality and resolution, suggesting that after the score is settled, the issue will no longer persist. The phrase, settle the score, originally comes from the world of sports and games, where keeping a score is a way to determine who is winning. To settle the score would mean to conclude the game or match by determining a winner. Over time, this phrase has been adopted into everyday language to mean resolving any dispute, not just those in sports. To help you understand how to use this phrase, here are a few examples. In personal contexts, after years of misunderstanding, they finally met up to settle the score and put their past behind them. In professional or competitive scenarios, the two companies have been rivals for decades, but the upcoming merger is seen as a way to settle the score. In literature and movies, the hero of the story knew the final battle was his chance to settle the score with the villain. While settle the score is quite specific, there are variations and related phrases you might encounter, such as even the score or clear the air. Even the score is often used more in contexts of competition or revenge, while clear the air focuses on resolving misunderstandings or disputes through discussion. Understanding phrases like settle the score can significantly enhance your English communication skills, allowing you to express complex ideas and emotions more effectively. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and usage of this phrase for you. Whether you're engaging in lively conversations, writing creatively, or just exploring the intricacies of the English language, knowing how to use expressions like these will certainly enrich your linguistic journey. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful.